Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, greetings. Welcome to UAE Habibi. Well, we are here in desert and I brought my helicopters. I just flew the bird and we are having our first enjoyable RC experience. Now, in this video, I'm gonna fly for the very first time the W500 Yuxiang. I carried it all the way with me. I just tucked it in a suitcase between the clothes, and trust me, it just turned out really well. Nothing is damaged. Let's fly it. Let's see how it goes. It's slightly windy, but I'm sure we'll have fun with it. That's sea in front of me, actually, with all those shrubs in the sea, and there's a lot of wind coming from my right side. Ooh, it is flying against the wind. A lot of wind coming from the front. Very steady wind, actually. Oh. So I can only fly it in forward flight mode, I think. Yeah, that's not an issue. Look at that, mashallah, beautiful. Now these are the places you can fly worry free, man, because these vast deserts and the seaside, man, this is absolutely beautiful place. And later I will practice my paragliding, inshallah. I brought my glider back there in my Land Cruiser, so I'll be practicing and inshallah flying the paramotor soon in this area. Look at that, how beautifully it's actually handling everything. Okay, so let me hover it. It will just keep going. It will not come forward. Maybe only this way. Nah. So you can fly on windy day in forward flight mode only. Nice. Now where's the 3D 6G button? Yeah. Awesome, mashallah. You know, when I was flying on in those confined spaces by the riverside, I always have to be very careful, because if you crash, most of the time you will be like, can I actually get it back or not? So I wasn't pulling crazy stunts. But now in this open areas, it's just a lot of space to do whatever you want. And you can have a lot of fun. So flying in 6G mode, doing rolls, going up, loops. This thing is amazing, man. Look at that, mashallah, very beautiful. It flies really nice. So, as I said before, this is absolutely one of the best and most fun aircraft you will ever put your hands on. For line of sight fun, nothing beats it. With its 3 flight modes, you're gonna have a lot of fun. Arishadi, you should learn to fly these things now. You're gonna have a lot of fun flying this. See, such an open area, right? Alright, let's land it and let's fly some helicopters. Here it comes. Where should we land? We should actually bring some, what are those? Landing pads, right? We should have landing pads so the sand will not go into the motors. Nice?
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?